Hi there, this is AniBusiness with your friend Simeon. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, so we are back here on the channel. And today we are going to be talking about pig farming on our YouTube channel once more. And what are we discussing today? We are going to be talking about F1 pig, F1 breed of pig. What do you understand by F1? What do you know about F1? That is what we are going to be discussing today in this very video. So F1 is a generation of pig that are used to produce the next generation after their parent stock. F1 are the product from a parent stock that we use to produce another generation. In an explanation, F1 simply means first filial. First filial, that means the first piglet that comes from the parent. For example, you have two purebred, all right? Two purebred on ground, male and female. Remember in one of my videos I talked about purebred, that even most of the breed we have in Nigeria are not pure. But that doesn't mean they are not exotic. I'm not going to talk much on that today. But what I was trying to explain in that particular video was, if you are going to say the pig you have at the farm is 100% pure, then that means that particular pig is either coming, the male is coming from British, the female is coming from British, but not of the same parent. Or the male is coming from South Africa, the female also is coming from South Africa. But by the time you are taking a male from South Africa and female from Britain or anywhere, then even if they are 100% pure, the product they are going to give you, the offspring they are going to give you, will not be 100% pure. But that doesn't mean they are not purebred. All right. Now, when you have two purebred, male and female together, after you mate them, they go through gestation period till after they deliver. So when they deliver, the offspring, the piglet they give you, is what we call F1. You understand? The piglet you receive from those two pure parents is what we call F1. Now, if those piglets now get mature and they deliver another one, those one we call them F2. The first filial, which is the F1, okay, possess nature like that of their parents. Automatically, after the F1 produce F2, their parent becomes the grandparent. So it is the F1 that will possess the nature of the main parent, which is the parent stock. But the F2 will not have the same nature like that of their first parent. For example, let me explain it in a way you can easily understand. Just as some people do say, I explain things in a layman language that even almost everybody can understand. Take for instance now, you as a woman or as a man, you have a father that births you. Okay? Now, you give birth to your own children. There are times you may be working with your parent, or those who know you with your parent will say, you look like your father, you look like your mother. That's because you have the nature of your father and the nature of your mother. That was the reason why people said, okay, you have a resembler like that of your father. Your children will also look like you, not like your father, which is their grandfather. So you, in this sense now, is F1. Your children are F2, and your parent is the grandfather, which is the parent stock. Most people use F1 for production, for breeding. If we want to give you the best of the breed, it is breeder that need F1. It's not necessary you have F1 at your farm. It's not necessary except you want to be a breeder. There was a video I made some time ago that I told you about mixed breed and pure breed, and I tried to explain to you that it's not necessary for you to have pure breed at the farm, in as much as your plan is to breed and also sell for slaughter. You breed, you take care of them, you feed them, you raise them, then you sell them out for slaughter. You fatten them, you sell them out for slaughter. You really do not need what we call pure breed. You can get mixed breed. Mixed breed doesn't really mean, crossbreed doesn't really mean they are not going to grow. They will grow. It could just be a crossbreed of pure large white and pure landrace. They will grow. It could be a mixed breed or crossbreed of Duroc and large white or landrace. They will grow. It could be the one of Hampshires and large white or landrace. They will grow. Mixed breed or crossbreed doesn't necessarily mean your animal are not going to grow. If they give birth at the farm, they will definitely grow. But local breed, our local pig, which usually don't grow well, are the ones not to raise or not to keep at your farm. So I don't know, maybe you all understand that. So when it comes to F1, if you are a breeder, you want to breed for other farmers to come and buy, automatically what you want to be doing at your farm mostly is breeding for other farmers to come and buy. Then you can go for F1. Okay, you buy the F1 for whoever is breeding it, then you breed and you sell out to other farmers who are buying to breed at their farm too. But if you are a farmer that your own plan is just to, produce at the farm, then you fattening them and you sell them out for slaughter, you can go for F2, or rather you go for F1, you produce and you raise them, you take care of them for slaughter. Now, why do people need F1 at their farm? Number one, they have superior traits compared to that of their parent in terms of growth, disease resistance, prolification, appearance, and other nature in them. So that is why most people go for F1, especially breeders go for F1. If you are not a breeder, you don't really need to kill yourself trying to get F1 by all means. You can get F2, you can get mixed breed, and you breed at the farm. Just make sure that the breed are good, the parent stock are good, then you are good to go. 2, they are the bedrock, the best a breeder can offer, as they are not meant for commercial purposes. They are just meant for breeding. So, and it is the best a breeder can offer you at their farm. So whenever time you hear F1 is not just all about I must get F1 because others are getting F1. So if you want to breed basically at your farm, you want to sell to farmers, good. But if your intention is just to produce and sell for slaughter, forget about F1, get a better breed and start rearing at your farm, fattening them, you sell them. So that is all about the video. If you want to reach out to me for consultation or for feed formula, you can reach out to me through the number you are seeing, WhatsApp only. I prefer WhatsApp message only. So if it's warrant calls, I'll let you know, then we can talk on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching. My name is Simon O. James, and bye for now.